Hey, what's up, guys? So today I wanted to walk you guys through one of my favorite juice recipes. This is basically the lemon ginger blast. When I say that, I'm sure a lot of you guys know right away what I'm talking about. It's by the Luke Corona, longtime raw vegan. I just like to make a sweeter version of that drink of his original drink. So I think it calls for maybe, it depends on how much you're making, but maybe 2 apples, 3 apples. I'll make like 8 apples, but I'll still use a whole head of cilantro, a whole head of parsley, the cucumber, the celery, the turmeric, the ginger, the habanero pepper. Guys, I've been raw vegan now, fully raw, 100% raw for about 2.5 years now, I think, something like that. So my detox symptoms, pretty, infrequent. Like, I don't feel any intense detox symptoms like I did at the beginning of my journey, but I still feel them. But guys, when I drink this, my detox symptoms can kind of like amplify a little bit. Like, I feel the cleansing. When you look at Luke Corona's videos where he talks about this drink, he's not just saying it to say it. This combination is extremely powerful. Extremely. The cilantro and the parsley alone, I mean, those are two powerful herbs, and you're getting them in such a concentrated amount in this drink. But then you add celery, which I view as an herb. You have the cucumber, extremely hydrating. Then you have the apples, and then the lemon, the astringency of the lemon, then the ginger and the turmeric, which are another two powerful herbs that you're concentrating when you're juicing. And then the habanero pepper. You have such a powerful drink. Like, it's such an anti-everything drink, except for anti-health, obviously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together. I'm going to show you guys kind of how I do it, just kind of like a sped up version. I don't want to hold you guys for too long, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you try this drink. I know a lot of my recent subscribers are on juice fasts. I know a lot of you guys are just getting started with your raw journey, so this is just one great recipe. I have tons of other recipes that I can share with you guys in the future, but I was like, hey, I'm gonna make this juice, so I might as well make a video about it too. So okay, see you guys soon. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do 4 red and 4 green apples. So there's 8 apples total. You don't have to do red and green, you can do whatever you want, but I just like this this balance of apples right here. The way I like to chop apples, cut them in half. Alright, guys, got the celery right here. I got 2 peeled lemons, half of a habanero pepper. If you're a ninja, you can go ahead and do a whole habanero pepper, but these are really spicy. Got the turmeric, got the ginger, of course the cucumber, and then my apples, followed by some parsley and some cilantro. So this is going to be a very powerful drink, as always. I'm actually really excited to get this in my body. Another thing I didn't mention earlier is this is great for those who can't afford herbs but still want to detox. Yes, it's a more general detox, but at least you're including some herbs. Herbs are medicine, so you got the ginger, the turmeric, anti-inflammatory, working on the kidneys here, working on some heavy metals, you know what I'm saying, working on some astringency, increasing blood flow. So you're doing something here, you know what I'm saying? You're hydrating the crap out of your body. So this is really, really great for people who need to include some herbs because they really need to start working on their kidneys, getting them filtering and whatnot, but they can't afford to buy, a kidney formula with the lymphatic formula and their endocrine formula. This is a great general cleanse filled with herbs. And my little secret ingredient, I love a fresh young Thai coconut in there. Alright, guys, so I got a total of 5 of these extremely powerful juices. I love adding the coconut at the end just for some added electrolytes. You guys see my rebounder over there? You might actually hear some birds chirping. They chirp outside of my window. That's how I wake up every morning. But it's okay, I love them. So anyways, alright guys, 5 powerful green juices. If you haven't tried this recipe, please try it, check it out. It's amazing for your health. Doesn't matter what you're dealing with. Even if you ate the standard American diet, if you can get one of these in you every single day, it's better than not having any of this in you. You know what I'm saying? So I just say to go for it. You know what I'm saying? Add green juices into your life. They're alkalizing. They're amazing for you. They help you build. They help you cleanse. They help you detox. You can't go wrong with adding some organic, fresh cell food. That's what this is. This is basically food for your cells. This is what humans are supposed to be eating. And this is what's going to allow you to bring health. You know what I'm saying? You get back what you put out. If you're putting this into your body, you're going to be putting out abundance. You're going to be putting out natural, high vibrational energy, because that's what you're consuming. You are what you eat. There's so much truth to that, guys. You become your cells, your body parts, your organs, they become a product of what you're consuming. This is what you should be consuming. All right, guys. If you are new here, I am a detoxification specialist. I'm going to go ahead and put the link to my website in my description. I'm accepting new clients now. I would love to help assist you on your journey back to health, talk to you, help you out, write you an herbal protocol, do a health assessment on you, and see where you're at. And if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing and pressing the notification bell when you do subscribe, so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. And give this video a thumbs up. Check out my other content. I have tons of cool information up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.